Catholic University of Santiago of Guayaquil by Fanny Carrasco. Medulla. The spinal cord begins at the occipital bone and extends down to the space between the first and second lumbar vertebrae. It does not extend the entire length of the vertebral column. It is around 45 centimeters in men and around 43 centimeters long in women. Also, the spinal cord has a varying width ranging from 1/2 inches in the cervical and lumbar regions to 1/4 inches in the thoracic area. The enclosing bone vertebral column protects the relatively shorter spinal cord. The spinal cord functions primarily in the transmission of nervous signals between the brain and the rest of the body, but also contains neural circuits that can independently control numerous reflex and central patterns. The spinal cord has three major functions, and finally as a center for coordinated certain reflex, as a conduit for sensory information in the reserved direction, as a conduit for motor information which travels down the spinal cord. Has three major functions. The cord is formed along its length and its division a gray area. The gray matter in the form of edge or butterfly in the central and peripheral, white substance and line in the brain. Their halves are divided in a sagittal by two processes found in the dorsal posterior median septum, long and narrow, and ventral anterior median fissure, which is wide and shorter. The spinal cord in stations. Next. Bone marrows. Bone marrows is the flexible tissues in the interior of bones. In humans, red blood cells are produced in the heads of long bones in a process known as hematopoiesis. On average, bone marrows constitute 4% of the total body mass of humans. In an adult weighing 65 kilograms, bone marrows account for approximately 2.6 kilograms. The hematopoietic component. The hematopoietic component of bone which use the bone vasculature as a conduit to the body's systemic circulation. They are responsible for maintaining the oncotic pressure, hydrostatic pressure to result osmotic effects exerted by proteins without blood in the cells or extracellular matrix, etc., delimited by the membrane selective gray matter. Dorsal horn receive axons of dorsal root ganglia through homogeneous roots and contain sensitive duct. Asta intermediolateral, only found in the thoracic and upper lumbar segments of the spinal cord. It contains sympathetic ganglion neurons. Ventral horn or anterior horn consists of multipolar motor neuron axons. Includes external anterior nuke, prevalently innerves the cord members and procedure to anterior dorsal trunk, muscle and neck. Gray matter. Thanks.